Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a glitch effect on Dazzcam. So first step there, choose the photo you want. So make sure that you choose two photos. So for example, this photo, and then choose another one. So I've chosen two photos. Now you just have to tap on the gallery, and the glitch effect is created. So this is another example of the glitch effect that I have created. So it's so simple that you don't have to edit anything. The app will do it for you. So I think that's it for today, and I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.